Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export the 360-degree panorama from the iClone it into other software like Blender or any other software. You can see this is a 360-degree panorama, and actually it is just a UV sphere with the texture, and actually originally it is from the iClone. How I made this and how to set it properly to make sure everything, when it exports, everything will be perfect from any angle as a 360-degree panorama. So I'm going to show you all the settings and camera in iClone. So now you can see this is an iClone scene. I already applied the sky. Look at the scene. I already applied the sky. Alright, the sky I just selected from the iClone. The iClone sky is at here. Just select a random sky, and I also already created a scene. So let's say if I want to render it from the center of the scene, how am I going to just export the 360-degree panorama? So the first step, you have to just set your camera. So now where is your camera? The camera is under the preview, then everything will be well enough. Make sure when you render, you enable the 360-degree panorama. At the same time, you need to create a dummy at the center. Just go to the props and just select a 3D block. Just select a box, and this box is the reference. If you want to just view from here as the center, then you have to drag it to the center and just press F. Make sure this one, you scroll up, go to the modify, set as dummy. So we are going to just render from here. Then just click the render, or you can just click the render image, or render video, it's fine. So at here, just make sure you enable the 360-degree panorama. For this time, I exported as the PNG. Then the output size, you better just select near to 8000. Right, then click export. And here, the file name, I'm going to just name this as 02. And we can have a look. Alright, now, after finish render, it is a equirectangular map like this. Actually, this is the UV map. This is the texture for the UV sphere. So I'm going to just test it in Blender. I'm going to just close this Blender. Alright, so just start everything from the Blender. And here I just press A and press delete to delete everything. Just add a UV sphere. This is just a test. It can be any software. Alright, now I just turn on the material texture. Go to material, just add a new material, image texture. Just open the picture just now. It is the picture 02. Just Ctrl C, and here Ctrl V, press enter. Here. Right, then the roughness, I just make it 1. So now you can see this is the preview of the 360-degree panorama. The preview it is just from the center. This is the center. You can see actually this is the height of the dummy that you created just now. Just create any random dummy here and just press F and just render from there. Everything will be really perfect. A 360-degree panorama. It is just a UV sphere ball like this. It can become a new sky. If you want to make it a new sky, it is fine. Let's say if you want to make it become a new iClone sky, or just make it become a CC5 sky, it's fine. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to export the 360-degree panorama from the iClone with the correct settings so that everything will just look perfect from any of the angle that you want to render, and just make it become a panorama. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!